Welcome again. Today we'll be working on how to grade student results using Microsoft Excel. So if we have student results and then want to know their grades, their rank, want to know if these students are promoted, instead of doing them manually with Microsoft Excel, you can easily do that. So now we have first term, second term and third term results of students. We have about 114 students and want to know how they rank among their peers. We want to know their grade. We want to know if these students are promoted or not. So what we'll be using is the average. How do we calculate the average? So we just say equals to average. We click on tab, then we click on this theory, we click on enter, it gives us the result. So this is the average of Abimbola Akindele. To calculate it for the rest, we just double tap on this green square box twice, and then when we click it, it's going to do it for all the numbers. If we have 10,000, 1 million of those data students, that's how we'll just easily calculate the average. So note, this average is what we'll be using majorly to calculate the grading, the rank, and then if the students are promoted or not. So to grade the students, whether they have A, B, C, D, E or F, which is failed, and we know A distinction. So today what we'll be using is the if function. So just say equals to, that's what we'll begin with. If, click on tab, the logical is now saying if the average is greater than or equals to 70, that is from 70 to 100, give that student A. It must be in quotation mark. We still use another if. Then if say 69 to 60 to 69 is B, just say if the average is greater or equals to what? 60. Give that student B, comma, and then next we use another if function. If the average is greater or equals to 50, those 50 to 59 is C, give that student C. Can you see? Comma, we say if again, tab, the average that is greater or equals to 45, because 45 to 49 is our D. I mean, give that student D. So we use another if. Say if, okay, if the average is greater or equals to 40, give that student E. However, if no, I'm not true. It's missing. Oh, okay. So if why do we have issues with formula? If, okay, give this one E. Oh no, so this is where we have mistake. Equal, we have E, close it, then if tab, our average is less than 40, give that student F. You can just 1, 2, 3, 4. Abi, yeah, one more complete. You see, maybe few. Yes, so you see 15, you can see, then you just click on this down, pew, you calculate for the other one. See 83A, 65B, 48D, 68B. So simple, straightforward to grade our students. So now for the rank, you just to rank them, to know which student took the first position, who took the second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you know what I mean. Equals to, so it's just so straightforward. We are using the rank function, and then we'll click on if the average is this, and then we'll pick on the ref, which is all the number here. We just click shift control the down button to pick, and then comma, and we'll click on 0 because we are using descending order. The person that has 89 is number 1. The person that has like the higher the rank, that is the first. I mean, if you have the highest, you are number 1. If you have the lowest, you are the last. So that's how we do it. So we just do like this, pin. But take note, it is very important for us to this part, let's lock it so that it won't change anyhow. In case, just click F4 to lock the formula 83. So just double click it, double click this box, pew. So now it has ranked them, which means this Abimbola is 83rd in the class, Adedoyin Amo is 71, Adetokunbo Alade is 61, and then that's how it ranked them. So now what do we want to do? We want to, let's go to promotion. So with this rank, we can even arrange them to, okay, let us rank them in forms of, is it promoted, are you not promoted or not. So I mean, we can rank them in terms of first, second, third, fourth. So we want it to arrange it in that order. We just click on this, then we'll come to sort and filter. We just say from what, smallest to highest, because the smallest is number 1. Just say smallest to highest. So yes, we sort. You can see 89, they are first position. Because we have 2 first, it means the next person is going to be third. Now we have 3 people having same average. You see, that's why we have third. Because you have them, it starts with 6. So you see, that is how grading is being done. You can see. And then to know who is going to be promoted and who is not going to be promoted, you just do this. Equals to, we also use if function. If tab, the logical is what? If your average is less than 45, because let's make 45 the cutoff, right? 45 is, if the average is less than 45, fail. That student fails, depending on how you want to structure your statement. And just say failed. And then, but if not, promote. Just say promoted. Click on enter. So you can see this person scored 89. Let's pull it down. Promoted till someone have, you see, 45 promoted. Wow. Then 44, and we said less than 45 should fail. So 44, 43, all of them, they failed. The other people, they were promoted. So simple, so straightforward. With this, we can always grade our students without having to go through the issues of the manual grading process. So this is very important for teachers. It's also important for when we are doing things that requires ranking, grading people, like so. Thank you for watching. Next time, please don't forget to subscribe to these channels, and till see next time.